is to go even further beyond!
No, stop it, Goku! If you do this now, it's going to drain away all the time you have left on Earth! And I'd say you need every second of it as it is!
It's unreal. How is he generating that much power?
Do it, Dad!
It's too much!
What's going on? Goten's dad is putting out even more energy than before. I should go. I don't want to get yelled at again.
Stop it now, Goku!
We're in the streets.
Feels like the whole world is shaking apart. What is Goku doing? If he doesn't stop this, everything is going to be destroyed. Please, somebody make it stop.